5 texting jobs you can do from home. No phone calls required. Want to make money from home without ever picking up a phone? If customer service calls aren't your thing, today's video is for you. I'm sharing 5 texting jobs you can do from home that may allow you to work online using chat, messaging, social media, and written communication instead of talking on the phone. Let's get into it. Texting. Job number 1. Texting Factory. Texting Factory is one of the better-known platforms for people looking for text-based work from home opportunities. Workers communicate through text messages and online chat systems while helping maintain customer engagement. Want to apply? Visit their website at The potential benefits are no phone calls, flexible schedule, work from home, international opportunities. Texting job. 2. Textings. Textings offers opportunities for individuals interested in chat and text-based communication. Depending on available openings, workers may communicate through messaging platforms and online chat systems. Want to apply? Visit their website at The potential benefits are chat-based work, flexible hours, remote opportunities, work from your computer. Texting job number 3. Mod Squad. Mod Squad frequently hires remote moderators and community support representatives. Many projects involve live chat support, social media engagement, community moderation, customer messaging. Want to apply? Visit their website at Why People Like It. Work from home, flexible projects, global opportunities, no traditional call center environment. Texting job number 4. The Social Element. The Social Element specializes in social media moderation and online community management. Workers often engage with customers through social media comments, messaging platforms, community forums, online discussions. Want to apply? Visit their website at Why People Like It. Social media work, remote opportunities, flexible schedules, text-focused communication. Texting job number 5. Crisp Thinking. Crisp Thinking provides digital risk monitoring and online moderation services. Some roles involve reviewing online content, monitoring conversations, chat moderation community support. Want to apply? Visit their website at Why People Like It. Work from home, flexible shifts, text-based communication, online moderation opportunities. Pay varies by company, project, and experience level. Some positions may offer hourly pay, per project compensation, part-time opportunities, or full-time opportunities. Always review compensation details directly on the company's website. Which one is best? If you want pure texting, try Texting Factory. Social media work, try The Social Element. Community moderation, try Mod Squad. Online safety monitoring, try Crisp Thinking. Messaging-based work, try Textings. Which of these texting jobs sounds the most interesting to you? Comment texting jobs below. And if you want more work-from-home jobs, side hustles, and remote opportunities, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new opportunity. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you back here tomorrow.